In this video, we will learn how to use Chrome extensions in mobile. When we open Google Chrome in our mobile and we see that it does not support Chrome extensions and there is no option in extensions option to search extensions or add to Chrome, and even if we open desktop site version, the option still does not there. So the easy way to add Chrome extensions in mobile phone is install Kiwi browser. When we install this browser and search Chrome Web Store and then click extensions, and then if we search any extension we want to add to Chrome, and here we see there is option add to Chrome, and by clicking on add to Chrome option we can easily add this to Chrome. Likewise, another browser is Yandex browser. You can also use alternatively this browser to use Chrome extensions in your mobile phone. Thank you very much.